If you're looking to relieve your upper back pain with foam roller but don't know how to use it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to use a foam roller to relieve your upper back stiffness and pain. Hi, my name is Y.Kitano from Kitano Method. I'm a physiotherapist and trainer to celebrities and Paralympic athletes from Japan. I help you eliminate your pain and get you moving and live the life you always wanted, both online and on-site. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get into it. I hope you enjoyed the last video and you have started breathing from your diaphragm. If you haven't watched it, please check it out from the link above. Breathing right with your diaphragm is far more important to relieving upper back pain than anything else. What I show you today is something you can do at home as a part of your daily exercise routine or as a part of your warm-up before sporting activities you enjoy. Foam roller comes in different shapes and sizes. I prefer to use one with a smooth surface, not those bumpy ones, because it's gonna be a very bumpy ride and it's quite painful. I prefer a smooth ride when I roll myself. I will show you how to release the upper back muscles such as lower trapezius, rhomboids, and lats. And we will mobilize the thoracic spine and shoulder blades at the same time. Before we start rolling, let's do a quick assessment of your upper back. Sit down on the chair and both arms straight and turn left and right. Notice how far you can turn and feel for stiffness, tightness, and pain. Knowing how you are now is important to see if you are doing the right thing to get what you want. Grab your foam roller and get yourself ready to roll. Are you ready? Okay, this is how to mobilize your thoracic spine and release your rhomboids and lower trapezius muscles. Okay? Now, I'm going to put the foam roller on the floor, lie onto the foam roller, elbows tucked in. Just expose your thoracic spine and then rhomboids by opening up your shoulder blades. Okay, lift your butt off the floor and just roll it up and down. Just control by your feet. Try to move very small and then try to find some tight spots. And then when you find tight spots, just work on there. From this position, we're going to mobilize your thoracic spine, the extension movement. Okay, keep your butt on the floor, elbows tucked in, and just lean backward this way. And move, slide down, slide down. Imagine try to lift your rib cage up. Okay, this movement there. If you find this is really hard, you might have really tight abs, okay? So this will stop you leaning backwards. So if you find the thoracic extensions really hard, we're gonna roll your abdominals like that, okay? Just release your abdominal first. Yep. And then, try thoracic extension again. Okay, just loosen up here, lift your rib cage up. You should be able to go a little bit further. Okay, from this position, you can mobilize your shoulder blades and also muscles around it. Okay, lift your butt off the floor and drop your right elbow and lean into your right to mobilize your right shoulder blades and move up and down like that. Okay. And if you're more go deep, you can move your elbow up there and open up your armpits and roll. You can find some more tight spots. Good. If you want to do the left side, just lean to your left, drop your left elbow, and roll your left side of your shoulder blade. Good. Right. Now, this time I'm going to teach you how to mobilize your thoracic spine and also release your lats and the back of the shoulder. Okay, just lie on your side. Put your forearm under the armpits. Okay, bend your knees and knee tucked in. This position will lock up your lumbar spine. Okay, you don't want to mobilize your lumbar spine. Okay, and then place your right hand on the floor and your palm facing upward. And put your left hand on back of your head and lean forward and leaning back. This movement will mobilize your thoracic spine, rotation movements, and then also you're releasing the muscles underneath. It can be quite painful. If you want to go a little bit more deep, just simply lift your right arm off the floor and then lean back and forward. It's quite painful. Good. And also you can put your foot down on the floor and move up and down. Try to find the more tight spots. Especially the back of the shoulder. Right there. Good. Okay, now let's sit down and reassess to see if you can turn better or turn with less pain. If you can, congratulations, you got it. Let's go back to the beginning of the video and do it again for today. And you might be wondering, how often should I do these exercises? That's a really good question. As I said at the beginning, you can do these exercises as a part of daily exercise or make it your daily exercise routine. Or you can do these as a part of warm-up before you play the sports you love. Just do as much as the length of this video. It only takes a few minutes. Combining the mindful breathing from the last video and this foam rolling exercise, you can eliminate your upper back pain. I hope you have upper back pain free day today. Let me know how you're going in the comments because I got your back.